Hi guys, this is just a quick tutorial just to show you what I like to do with my McDougall pancakes. You can find that up on my channel already under the Mary McDougall Pancakes for the recipe for the batter. But what I like to add to it, this is just the plain pancake batter, and it already has bananas in it because that's part of the recipe. But what I like to do is I like to add about a teaspoon of the orange extract and about a quarter teaspoon of the almond extract, and then I love to add some chopped walnuts in there. So you just go ahead and throw your walnuts, and then this is the orange extract. Okay, and then about a quarter teaspoon of the almond extract, and then you just go ahead and stir that up, and then you will make your pancakes. And then I have a little topping that I like to put on it, and I'll show you what that is. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is make this sauce. It's PB2, which is powdered peanut butter, and today we have the vanilla unsweetened almond milk, but you can use any plant-based milk you have on hand. So we're going to use 1 cup of the milk and to 2 cups of the peanut butter, and we're going to mix that up. See, this is the first cup. It's like you have to really mix it. It gets runny, but it'll get thicker when you add the second cup. Keep stirring. Okay, so now with the peanut butter in it, you should get a nice, it's like a thick but a little runny, like this consistency of the peanut butter and the milk. Then next we're going to slowly add a little bit of powdered sugar. I do 1 tablespoon at a time. Okay, see? You want to put that powdered sugar in there and mix that up real well. Okay, so I've used 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now your consistency looks like this. See how it's running? That's the consistency you want. Okay guys, here is our fresh pancakes just ready for the toppings. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and drizzle our peanut butter all over the top. You can make a pretty design if you want. Grab yourself some maple syrup. We use the pure maple syrup. It's so much better. And we're going to go ahead and put that all over the top. You can see you can make pretty designs with it to make it look really pretty. This is very delicious. I'm going to drizzle that. Okay guys, there you have it. Doesn't that look good? It is extremely good. If you like sweet stuff, you'll definitely love these pancakes. And with this topping and the nuts and the maple and the almond and the orange flavoring, it is very, 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 very good. I highly suggest that you try this recipe. Well, there you have it guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos, and have a great day, and don't forget to smash that bell.